Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can delete workspaces in your account on Framer Website Designer. So let us dive into this. So as if you'd like to navigate to the given workspace and delete it, you will need to access it via the Framer desktop app or web app, and then select the workspace in the top left corner. I will go with this one for the sake of this tutorial and delete it. So click into that drop-down menu again, choose settings, and here inside your workspace settings, navigate to details, click into delete, and then it will be required from you to enter the name of the workspace without any typos. And what you want to do after that is click into delete. Remember guys that deleting a workspace means will be that this action cannot be undone and that your website projects will be moved to archived, as you can see. So also all members you have given access to your projects within the given workspace will lose that access and will be moved from that workspace out of the workspace, obviously. So once you're ready, click into delete here. I'm not going to do this. I would like to keep that workspace, but that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.